Getting your driver's license in Kentucky can feel like a big process, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know the steps. The first thing is documents. You'll need proof of who you are, proof of your social security number, and proof that you live in Kentucky. If you're applying for a real ID, you'll need 2 residency documents instead of 1. If your legal name is different from what's on your ID or social security card, make sure you bring official paperwork showing the change. And if you're under 18, your school has to give you a compliance form before you can apply. For drivers under 18, Kentucky uses a graduated licensing program. That means you'll move through 3 stages: a learner's permit, then an intermediate license, and finally a full license once you meet all the requirements. If you're 18 or older, you'll start with a permit. Schedule an appointment with the Kentucky State Police to take the written knowledge test and a quick vision check. Bring your documents with you, and once you pass, you'll get a paper permit you can use until the card comes in the mail. You'll need to hold that permit for at least 180 days before you can move on. During this time, you can drive, but only with a licensed driver age 21 or older in the passenger seat. If you don't pass the written test the first time, you can retake it on the next available testing day. After your 180 days are up, you can schedule the road skills test with the state police. Bring a licensed driver with you to the test and make sure the vehicle you use is insured and properly registered. Proof of insurance can be your insurance card, a current policy, or a note from your agent. Once you pass, you'll go to a regional office to apply for your full license. Just like before, they'll give you a temporary paper license until the permanent one arrives in the mail. That's the whole process.